Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the Amazon Basics Non-Stick Carbon Steel Bread Pan. So this is a pack of two Amazon Basics Non-Stick Carbon Steel Bread Pans. So let's go ahead and remove it from its clear plastic packaging. And of course recycle the clear plastic packet thoughtfully and keeping it away from babies, children and animals. So looking at the pack or set of two non-stick carbon steel bread pans from Amazon Basics, let's separate them by of course lifting the top pan off and setting that protective film layer aside, so giving you a nice clear look at this bread pan or bread tin made from carbon steel with non-stick coating. So giving you a nice full view. So just going to set the pans apart so they don't interfere with the foreground as we focus on this one. So it does have that metallic grey finish, as you can see, with metallic flecks or specks on its surface. So just giving you that nice detailed look at this bread pan, and of course looking directly inside as well, giving you a nice clear view at the details and of course the shape of the bread pan. So the external dimensions are 27 centimeters across and of course 15 centimeters wide and 7 centimeters tall or deep. So internally it measures approximately 23.5 centimeters at the widest point and approximately 13 centimeters that way, and roughly about 6.5 centimeters deep. So those are the internal dimensions. So 23.5 across the length and about 13 centimeters across the width and about just under 7 centimeters deep or tall or high for this bread pan. So giving you a look at them both side by side, so you have some idea as to the overall design and shape. And of course the material, which is carbon steel with a non-stick coating. So right there you can see nice and rounded corners, and that middle rounded rectangular shape is raised, whereas the edges are recessed around that inner raised rectangular shape. So just giving you that look right there with that aspect inside this bread pan. So giving you that nice thorough view of this Amazon Basics non-stick carbon steel bread pan in a pack of two. So just to give you some idea of the size, placing my hand inside this bread pan or baking tin, right there, giving you some sense of size of this bread pan. So once again, the internal dimensions are 23.5 centimeters across, 13 centimeters wide, and just under 7 centimeters deep. And just to give you some idea of the construction and thickness of this bread tin or bread pan, those close-up details of the overall design and shape of this Amazon Basics non-stick carbon steel bread pan in the pack of 2. So that's the Amazon Basics non-stick carbon steel bread pan in the pack of 2. Thanks for watching and happy baking!